LinkTrust release webinar today. We are excited to show you a few new features and enhancements that have taken place and that were released this morning. With this webinar, we have our support team that will be answering any questions. So if you have any questions during the webinar, please use the GoToWebinar question format, and they'll be able to get those answered. So with that, there are a few enhancements that we have made to the account side for the Affiliate Center. And so I'm going to take you there. The first feature that I'd like to show you is on the account side under Account Settings. Here you have where you have the location that you can customize your Affiliate Center. And when you used to click on these green plus signs to modify any of the aspects of the pages in the Affiliate Center, you would have a WYSIWYG. Well, by default, we have now applied it to a text box. And this helps to prevent unexpected code changes in the Affiliate Center. Templates that are usually edited in the text box, instead of a WYSIWYG mode, are more compatible with JavaScript and other formats that are standard on the internet. So we've made it so that the text box is the default. You can always switch back to the WYSIWYG if you need to make those modifications. So we did keep the backwards compatibility there. The next feature that has to do with the affiliate sign-up, or in regards with potential affiliates, is we added a new feature here called the Enforcing the CAPTCHA on the new application. And basically what that is when I click on the affiliate sign-up form, you'll notice that down at the bottom, it just gives all the details and the sources. Well, now I can enforce on my affiliate sign-up form to enforce a CAPTCHA on new applications. So simply by selecting the checkbox and updating the page, my affiliate sign-up form now has changed. When I refresh it, you'll see down here at the bottom the new CAPTCHA. So that helps to combat fraud as well. One of the main features that I'm sure many people are excited to see is what's called the external modified transactions, or the transaction modifying API. This takes place at the campaign level. So we'll navigate to a campaign. All campaigns that you wish to have the externally modifying of transactions needs to be turned on at campaign level. We did this for security reasons. It's pretty simple. You can actually allow that campaign to have an external modification. The password, this is a security parameter allowing you to create a password for each campaign. So I'm just going to put in password. And I also can lock this down to allow a specific merchant's IP address from the whitelist to have it enforced that it comes from that IP address. So now I can set up an API that will post in a transaction to LinkTrust. I'm sorry, it will post a URL with an identifier, and there are 3 different identifiers that can be used. And then I can now modify that transaction based on the payout, the affiliate payout, the merchant revenue, or whether or not that transaction is approved or not. It is kind of an advanced option having to do with APIs. You can also use a little desktop app that we have called the Lead Poster that can do it from your local PC. In order to get all the information that's necessary on how to do this, we have our in-system support documentation. If you roll your mouse over the external transaction modifications link, when you select this, it will open up our in-system support documentation and give you all the information you need on how to modify the transaction, how to identify it, which parts of the transaction can be modified, and so forth. So hopefully that'll be helpful. Along with that, on the technical side, we do have server responses, and those server responses will help your API system to be able to know what happened, if it failed or not. So that one's an exciting feature that has just come out. The next feature that we'd like to demonstrate here is all about QR codes. Now, a QR code, if you don't know, is a 2D image that stores information. You've probably seen these out on a lot of print ads or maybe even on a website or on the bottom of some type of raisin box. I mean, they're starting to pop up all over the place. These QR codes are pretty simple in LinkTrust to create and make available for your affiliates or internally. Because they are creatives, we're going to go to the creative section. Here, I want to create a QR code for Awesome Auto Loans. Pretty simple. I just do add a creative, which opens up my new creative window, label it, and then make sure I select the QR code, and it opens it up right here at the bottom and gives a little preview. Now, this is a sample of the QR code. The actual QR code has not been generated yet. So I'm going to update this one to save this creative. Now that this creative is saved, you'll notice that it populates it here in my list of creatives. Well, if I want to now generate the actual QR code for an affiliate, there's two ways of doing this. I can do it through the link generator, or I can actually log in as the affiliate and generate it from the affiliate center. The first one we're going to demonstrate is just doing it from the link generator. So to access the link generator, there's two ways. You can click on Support and Tools, or on the left menu bar, select Link Generator. When selecting Link Generator inside the campaign, of course, it automatically assigns to your campaign. We're going to select an affiliate. We'll do Blue Diamond Traffic. And I may want to put a sub-ID in here. Maybe they're going to put this out on a print ad. And I hit Generate a Link, just like I would normally do. But as you can see, there's a new QR code generator right here. All I need to do is to generate the actual QR code that would then redirect to this tracking link is select the Generate QR code. Now that it's selected, this is the actual QR code used to put out on print ads or wherever I wish to put it on. And I can also download the QR code into an image file that allows you to then email it to somebody. So if I had my iPhone out and you could see me, I could scan this, and it would then redirect my iPhone right through to this URL, to that landing page, and allow me to track those clicks or the QR codes that are out there. The second form of generating a QR code is actually in the Affiliate Center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as an affiliate now. And I'm going to log in on my affiliate as the Blue Diamond. And as you know, the little green arrow logs me in. You go to My Offers, Awesome Auto Loans, get my creative. Here's my QR code right here at the top. If I do Get Code for that, it opens up a new screen that allows the affiliate to put in their own sub-ID or affiliate reference ID. And again, then they can do Generate QR Code. And they have the exact same thing. This is a code that's specific to this affiliate with the sub-ID, so that QR code, and they can download it. You'll also see a little note here that says optimized for all devices with a 25% error correction, meaning that 25% of this image can be smudged or defaced or damaged in some way, and the majority of the devices will still be able to read it and be redirected. So very helpful. And that's a very exciting aspect of LinkTrust that you can start using as your creatives now. The next aspect that we would like to cover has to do with creatives as well. If I go back to the campaign, let's go back to the Awesome Auto Loans campaign and go into my creatives. This QR code that I've generated here, I may only want a certain group of affiliates that are running this offer or an individual affiliate to run this offer. And that leads us into being able to take any creative and assigning it to a specific group or an affiliate. So here I have, currently, by default, all affiliates are able to see it and that it is visible in the Affiliate Center. If I only want a specific group, I can change that group to wherever I'd like, and only that group would see this creative. Or I want to specifically give it to only one affiliate. I would then make my affiliate group to none, and then I can select my affiliate. And by doing a search, I'll do Blue Diamond, and now Blue Diamond is in there. If I want to make it available to more than one affiliate, I can do so. And of course, if I make a mistake, I can always remove one. So With that, this feature is great for being able to assign the creative specifically to an affiliate or an affiliate group. We've got kind of a theme going on the next few enhancements as well as new features, and that has to do with a lot of search criteria, getting to the information you're looking for quickly. The first search criteria that I want to touch base on has to do with your creatives. If you notice, when you go to your creatives, if you have a long list of them, we now have a search criteria up here at the top. And of course, you can search on the campaign or the creative ID, the creative name, or the type of creative, and so forth. In addition to searching for creatives, we've changed the way that we order creatives. In the past, you used to order these creatives 1 through however many you want. We've changed this to be able to use the same number more than once. So what happens is I have a group of creatives that I want to be first, but I want my number 1 creative to always be or 0 will be always at the top. And then I want it to order in this format. But if I have email creatives that are similar, these are all email, then I can actually say, okay, well, I want my QR codes to be 5. I want all my email creatives to be 1. By doing this, what happens is it's now grouping your creatives and then ordering it based on the name. So with the added flexibility, you can now organize all of your creatives in a much more easily format based on name and order. So hopefully that'll help with those needs that have been requested. The next area that we're going to touch base on is the search criteria on the campaign's request page. So if you have a lot of affiliates that have been requesting campaigns under the affiliate tab, you click on the request. We've added an extensive search on this page. Because campaigns and affiliates are different, we had to put 2 different types of search criteria, whether you want to base your search on an affiliate or based on specific campaigns, looking for affiliates that are all working on the same campaign. With this new search criteria, you may also see here in the filters traffic by, you're going to notice that we have a few more traffic types added. We have a call center, pay-per-call, pre-pop, and mobile for all those guys that have been using all those different traffic types out there. So we're excited to have those out there for your flexibility. The next area that goes along with what we've been seeing on the search criteria is also on the denied applications. The denied applications, this list, as you know, can get quite extensive. So we've added a search criteria here up at the top that allows you to basically pull up affiliates that you were looking for that may have been denied and you want to recover their application. Another search criteria has also been added on the merchant page. Many customers have multiple merchants here listed. Now, if you have a merchant license, then of course this is your merchant account would be pulled up right away. But for those that have multiple merchant accounts, it makes it much easier to be able to find which merchant you need to work with here using that search criteria. We've adjusted the way the search criteria works on the adjustments. So what I'm going to do is, when I click on reports and I click on adjustments, you'll notice that it pulls up the ability to create an adjustment. Well, right here on the top right corner says View Adjustment Log. When I click on the View Adjustment Log, it opens up with the search criteria at the top. In the past, you had to create or you had to search with a campaign or an affiliate. That's no longer the case. If you want to see all the adjustments in your system, all you have to do is just select View Adjustment, and it'll pull up every adjustment that's in the system based on the time frame that you have in your search criteria. So that makes it much easier to navigate and modify any of those or delete any of those that may have been done by mistake. We've also modified the way you do a campaign search. Let me show you that. When I'm in the Affiliates tab, and I want to pull up all of my affiliates that are assigned to a specific campaign, I may come over here and select. I'm searching for my campaign. In this, we've added 2 new columns. We've added not just the campaign name, which was already there. We've added the merchant company name and the campaign default revenue. So just a lot of minor things that have added in there to make it easier to go through. So the next area that we're going to go to is there are quite a few changes in the affiliate details. So let me log into an affiliate's account, or go into the affiliate's details and go to Blue Diamond Traffic again. And here we've got one change that you'll see. Actually, we're going to go right on into the campaigns area. So in the campaigns area, we've added a full search criteria up here at the top. And we've also added a full search criteria on the ad campaign. So if you have a lot of campaigns to sort from, you can use this search criteria to pull those up. We have, let me see here, make sure I cover all these. In the campaign section, we've just added a few modifications. You can actually see who the merchant is for each of these campaigns as well. And in the payment details of an affiliate, we've added a new feature, the payment terms. So if this payment terms for this affiliate is at net 7, I can now update that and store that here in the system. And by doing that payment terms in the system, I now can modify, or I can do search criteria in my affiliate commissions report, as well as in my affiliate search based on payment terms as well. So 2 added benefits there. One of the added benefits here in LinkTrust, under the campaigns area, we had a request that said, I would like to send the user agent as well as the click refer back to the affiliate so that they can capture it in their system if they haven't received that. And so what happens is, when placing a pixel for an affiliate in LinkTrust, I can select the none. Let's say they gave me a JavaScript pixel. We have 2 new tokens here. And these 2 new tokens allow you to pass the user agent back to the affiliate, as well as the click refer back to the affiliate. Now, in the lines of the user agent, you also have the ability to view the user agent in the transaction details now. You don't have to export them. So to see that, you can actually go into the report, pulling up any of the campaigns that you see here. Let's pull up the ringtones here. If I slide all the way to the right of the screen, you can now see the click user agent and the conversion user agent. The click user agent was originally only viewable when you exported your transaction details. Now you can actually see it in the browser. With that, let's see what we have left. The last one that I have for you guys tonight, oh no it isn't, hold on. Yes, I'm sorry, the last one I have is, when was the last time you forgot your password to get into LinkTrust? Well, if you had to contact support to get your password reset, no longer do you have to do that. Now, I can select, when I'm logged out to log in, I can simply do my forgot password, put in my username, and it'll email me the unique link to be able to get my password reset. So with that, those are all the features that have been added this week, and we are so excited to have them out. If you have any questions or concerns on any of these, please contact our support group at support@linktrust.com, and we will also be having videos that will be coming out on a lot of these different features. So look for our blog. If you are not registered to that, you might want to subscribe to our blog, and you'll be able to review a lot of those videos. So that's the webinar today. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you.